Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to see L-Pact Enterprise from graduate business analyst who are all graduated in. You will see in our description with guys. Yeah, I graduated with a bachelor or master degree of foundation in business or similar field to start the day. Ability to learn new process, adapt the effective, communicate to concept of others, lecture and oriented. Microsoft PowerPoint Excel, good communication skill, motive player with enthusiastic and mind and work entity willing to work in adventure international virtual term. We offer a competitive salary and extensive social benefits. Competitive salary will be about 6 LP, so don't worry guys. Diverse and dynamic work environment. An amazing life inside our element. What you know about it? Let's say connected. So these are the shop operations. Entry level role it's enough for them. You can explore location from here itself and how will make you market the publish crucial business performance. So you just want to be a good marketer in office itself. That will be going to work in Excel sheet only. So don't worry, guys, not a direct working job. So remote and hybrid in office, remote and hybrid means fully work from home job. So it's work from home job. The graduate will be it. So you don't worry, guys. You just want to apply here. Otherwise, you can. I am interested. You can send your resume in this here also. Or you can send a mail. You can just order. You can see the similar jobs all over here. So if you have any doubt in this business analytic for MBA student and who are all finished in this business certification, they can apply. So if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.